What is information technology? Let's understand it in a simple way. Information technology, or IT, is how we use computers to store and share information. Every time you use a phone or computer, you are using IT. From social media to online classes, IT is everywhere. But how does it all work? Let's break it down. First, we have hardware. These are physical devices like computers. Keyboard, mouse, and monitor are all hardware. But hardware alone cannot do anything. That's where software comes in. Software tells the computer what to do. Data is the information we store. Before computers, data was stored on paper. Now everything is digital. We save, edit, and share data instantly. Even messages are part of IT. Now let's talk about networking. Networking connects computers together. The internet is the biggest network. It allows us to access information worldwide. We can even talk to people far away. Security is also important in IT. We must protect our data. Passwords keep our accounts safe. Good security prevents hackers. Safe systems mean safe information. IT creates many job opportunities. Programmers write code, technicians repair systems, analysts study information. IT skills are valuable everywhere. IT makes life easier. We can shop from home, we can learn from anywhere, we can even work remotely. IT saves time and effort. The future of IT is exciting. Artificial intelligence is growing fast. Technology is becoming smarter. Learning IT today prepares you for tomorrow. Start exploring IT and build your future. So if you think this video helps you, then subscribe, because your one subscribe teach you a lot of things.